Okay, good evening all. Today we are going to discuss how to monitor alert log file in clear detail. Once everyone, I hope it's clear today. If any doubts you have in previous class, it will be clear today. So first we need to switch on our virtual box. That means you can double click on the virtual box, it will open. After that, so out of these three, I'm using this Oracle new server Oracle 5 MT2. So we have the databases in here. Start. Once you press the start button, it will open another window like a monitor. So this is like a monitor we are telling. Once our monitor has opened, we need to check the password. Once the password enter, then again you have to check yes bin if config. In some cases, if config directly not working, then you can give the command /sbin if config. Okay, /sbin if config. In some cases, if it is not working, then you can use sbin /sbin if config. So to identify the IP address. Now the IP address is 192.168.0.198. So once the IP address is then you can open our two putty sessions we can take today. 192.168.0.198 actually. So in this we can say that window 1. Okay, window 1. So like this monitor window or activity window, we can say that activity window. Window 1 is activity window. Activity window. Okay, we can save it. So we can change the parameters. To save more values, we can give highest numbers here. Otherwise, when you scroll up, there is no data in that. Here I will give 5. Shrunken the edges for sticker and clear type. Hello. So you can change the font size to 16, 18. It is enough, 18. Cursor blinks. Block and blink are under vertical line, you can say. Behavior, no. Translate, selection. Yeah. Foreground in the sense text characters. Foreground in the sense text. Black text. Background white. I like these colors only by default. And after that, we can save window appearance. Everything is okay. Now we will open. So this is the one window. Okay, Oracle password SU. So I will take another window from this duplicate session. Okay, so this is the duplicate one. Oracle password same. So this side I will just change some back colors only. Appearance, color settings, foreground. I will make it foreground as yellow and background as black. Okay, so these are the settings you have to do first. And clear the screen on both sides. Clear the screen. Now we can start from the first pwd, and as a dbf first is our command ps-ef pipe grep pmon. Here the database is devdb is running, devdb. Okay, here pwd present working directory and ps-ef pipe grep pmon. Here also same, the data version is same, right? That's why it's showing the same. Now before connecting to the database, we need to enter the export the environment variables. Before connecting to the database server with help of SQL plus sysdba, we need to export the environment variables. If it is already bash profile enabled, then no need to give dot space var ini, but by default try to use this command as a default dot space var env, and it will ask the Oracle SID. That means here the database is running only devdb, not prod. So that's why we can give capital letters devdb. Okay. Now it is asking for the home location, right? If it is asking for home location, then you can verify from this second window cat etc vara tab. It will display Oracle home location, right? This is the home location. Now same copy paste this one. Okay, once Oracle home exported, now you are able to connect to the database server SQL plus sys as sysdba. You are connected. So here also, so once you connected, our aim is to monitoring the alert log file. That's why first we need to identify the location of alert log file where we have. So to identify the alert log file location, there is a view, database view called v$diag_info. Verify that location. Select name comma value from v$diag_info. So v$diag_info out of this diag cdump, health monitor, a default trace file. So out of all this stuff, you need to identify the name value is the diag trace. Diag trace. This is the required path out of all this result. This is the diag trace. Okay, diag trace is our required location. Now in this another window, cd and paste the this value. If you want to paste, select it, just select this up to and click on this window, shift and enter, shift insert, shift button and insert. You can get the paste. Now pwd, present working directory, we are in the location. Once you give the pwd, it will display the result, that is your present working directory. So now we have to give ls space -lrth, ls space -lrth or ls space -lrt, whatever it may be, and this means list the files. Our aim is to identify alert log location, alert_devdb log. So if you get the result, it is showing that alert log is created already there. That means this is the alert log file. Okay, this is the alert log file. Now how to open the alert log file? With the help of tail command. Tail means last, our tail in the sense last, how to open the last pages, like that. 100f means 100 lines. ALE and alert_database name.log. When you type this command, press enter, just press enter. It will open that file. Okay. So now if you want to create any data file, select name from $data file. Okay, database is not mounted means alter database mount, identifying control file. We will check. cd space dollar oracle home, right? pwd present working directory, cd space dbs. This is the location of parameters. So control file is missing, it is showing like that. That's why we can check the control file location. Cat. So where is the control file location? Control file. This is the control one. Flash recovery control 2. I will verify whether the control file is there or not. Okay. cd space. That means there is no control file location with DevDB. That's why we can use 01 app Oracle cd ora data. So here small dev is there, not devdb. So that's why it is unable to identify that folder. That's we can change the dev to devdb. That means the folder change, folder rename. So then it is easy. So now we will try. Okay. Okay. Now we will try to create. This is the location or data location. SQL plus sys HDBA alter database mount invade alt command alter database bsse mount mount. Yes, it is. Observe here the signaled alter database mount signaled, alter database completed, alter database mount completed. Here you can identify the command history and the error. Vara error means cannot open the specified control file. This is called vara error, vara 00210. And another error is 202 control file error, and another error is 27037 unable to obtain the file status. These are the errors. Ora means Oracle related errors. Linux means OS related errors. No such file or directory. మీరు ఆ డైరెక్టరీ లేదు, then it is a signal during. ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి వరా 205 సిగ్నల్ ఇచ్చాం, database mount అనేది వచ్చింది, alter database mount. So it is not error, that's it's okay. Now alter database open. So here it is unable to identify the new location. System 01 like old location, it is taking by default old location. Okay. So now what I am trying to do is I will shut down this database, shut immediate. I will troubleshoot after this class for this particular database. So our aim is to monitor the alert log file. That's why. So any activity which is taken, it is completed this window. So I will clear this space, exit, clear. Now pwd, now lsfnlrth. Actually the folder renamed to devdb, right? So the control file doesn't know the new location, that's why it is showing like that. Now I am able to start up the another database, prod. We have also prod database here. So SQL plus sys as HDBA. So here in the prod database alert log file will be different. So that is why we will give cd change. We have pwd, right? DevDB. So instead of DevDB, we will connect it to another PWD. Next, LSFNLRTH. We have prod also, right? Prod and again capital letter prod, small prod, capital prod. Then by default, you can remember the default location how you are going to define Oracle base. After that, diag RDBMS database name small letters, database name capital letters. By default, it is creating like this only. In everywhere, you can identify like this only. Next is trace. After that, LSFNLRTH alert log file. So you can open this alert log file. Instance shutdown complete, right? In the previous action, instance shutdown completed January 13. So now I will start up the database. Startup. Again, you can identify alter database mount, alter data. It is starting the database, right? So these are the all the parameters it is taking. Database mounted. Yes, alter database open. Internally it is doing 3 steps. Normal startup, alter database mount, alter database open. This is the command which is running inside. So this is the way you have to open and observe the alert log file location. Now again I will show you from the scratch. Okay, again I will show you from the scratch.